Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me a email saying every time they type out a text, it is green. And they wanted to know how to get it back to black all the time. Well, what you want to do is have nothing selected. I actually prefer to have nothing even on the page. Nothing selected. Go up to black, RGB black, if you're a laser engraver, and double click on it. It might even take a couple of double clicks. Go right here to artistic text, take away graphic. We would want to just change the artistic text. Now, when you start typing text, it'll be black from then on out. Now, I would go up and save it under Tools and Save as Default. Just check everything and save as default. That time, every time you type a text, we actually change the green to now our graphic, which I don't want, so we'll change that back. We're gonna double click on no fill, and we're gonna go graphic. I don't want any fill. So now when I draw a graphic, and also I draw in hairline, and I was playing around with this, you need to double check on your pen tool, artistic, well, not artistic text, just graphic, and go right here to hairline and get your color palette. Sometimes that does that if I'm using somebody else's, and I want red, so I want a red hairline every time I draw. So once I get that like I want, I'll go up to Tools and Save as Default. Now, every time I type a text, it'll be black. Every time I draw an object, it'll be a red hairline no matter what I do. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.